Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to find credit card number on Apple Wallet. Let's get started. So, first thing you need to do is to open your settings and scroll down until we find Wallet and Apple Pay. Tap on it and now you see under the payment cards both an Apple account as well as this Chase card I can tap on the Chase card and you'll see show me the card number here. So depending on the specific card, it might show you the full number or just show the last four of the card numbers. Now let's go back and tap your name at the very top. And this is where it says that the payment and shipping, the third option, just click on it and you can see the card number including the expiration date, the CVV, all the stuff. So the another option that you have in mind is if both of these don't work in the terms of showing you that full number, the last thing you can do is always just open up a web browser, or you can just say go to apple.com and go through the process of buying something. So tap on buy, for example, an Apple Watch. Then here you have to go through the entire process of buying it just in the store online. Then here you can use the Apple Pay to autofill that card number, and there you're going to check out and then you'll able to see the exactly what is in that card in case you don't have physical next to you. So you can always find it by faking at checking out or by buying something online. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.